Hello students, so in today's class you are going to learn how to make cactus plant. First of all, take green clay, but if you do not have, use white clay and add color to it. Now keep it aside. Make sure while keeping that pigmented clay in an airtight container, cause it can turn hard if it is getting exposed to air. Now moving to pot making, here I am using yellow clay, you can even use brown clay. For giving this a proper pot shape, you have to use your finger as well as some brushes or pens. Now add extra clay into it to resemble soil. Now for the body, we will use the clay which we already kept aside. Of course, use your finger to give that body shape, and we all know that our fingers are the greatest tool. Now use clay tool to add those details and then stick this body to the pot. Repeat the same procedures with the arms too. And then add thorns by using tiny super clay balls. And this is the final look. That is it for today. Bye.